How to use Bdo Debit card for online payment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bdo Debit card for online payments, helping you make a seamless transactions. To use your Bdo Debit card online, first ensure it's activated for international and online transactions. Log into your Bdo online banking account. Go to Card Settings and enable online purchases. Once activated during checkout on an e-commerce site, select Debit Card as your online payment option. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Complete the purchase and you may receive a one-time password for verification. Now that you know how to use Bdo Debit card for online payments, you're ready to shop online safely.